Hello YouTubers, this is going to be a quick unboxing video of the Mavic Air 2 drone. I don't have much information as far as specifications, but because I am new to the drone world, so the purpose of getting the drone, obviously, it is for furthering of the channel. So I'm gonna have different types of footage of angles of things that I couldn't do before, and that is the reason why my son and I, have gotten this drone. So I got this combo, the Mavic Air 2, the flying mode combo, and it includes the smart controller. So that is a big plus. I mean, it's gonna be a simple unboxing. I'm not gonna be going over specifications because I know little about drones, and in the past 2 weeks or so I have been doing my own research and trying to learn as much as possible, because I know that to fly a drone is not the same thing as playing with a digital camera, because a lot of laws, a lot of caution is involved, and I've been trying to feed myself in the past 2 weeks or so about regulations, especially here in the United States, as far as the FAA, the basics, which is flying within line of sight, not flying at nighttime, the altitude. A drone cannot it cannot go beyond the altitude of 400 feet unless unless you are approved to do so, etc. And many of the other basics. And I'm gonna continue on reading, and also I must get this Part 107 license, what they call, to be able to fly the drone for commercial purposes. So I already ordered a book, and I'm doing my own study guides on taking that test. So eventually I'm going to take the test, and hopefully I'll be passing the test so that I can shoot footage that is to commercialize my footage. So the deal that I got, it was a very nice deal, because I know that just the controller alone, it'll run you around $750. So this fly combo includes the controller. The controller is included, so that is a big plus, because although you can use the controller that it comes with, it is best to have an attached and integrated LCD, which the smart controller provides. And besides, from what I hear from YouTube videos that I've been watching, it also provides better connectivity. And so, I couldn't let this deal pass, and it had been in the process to get this drone for the purposes of the channel. So finally, I'm very glad, that I'm able to, I'm able to go one step further, and for the purposes of the furthering our YouTube channel. This is the smart controller, and it's very big, and it feels, it feels very sturdy. I don't know, as I said, I'm not going to go into specifications, because I don't want to tell you something that I'm not even familiar with, and it is best that I take a couple of weeks to go over these, and once I begin to get more familiarized with drone usage and lingo, I'll be able to to provide more feedback. But do expect a lot of good videos shot on this Mavic Air 2. Do expect better like footage, aerial footage, and for the purposes of the channel, I do see that it's missing like this bushing on here. So, oh, it seems to be these here. No, but anyways, whatever it is, it seems to be where I put the propellers. It's like protective bushing, but it's fine. So let me finish unboxing. This is the drone itself. They came in the package, as you see. I took out the DJI smart controller as well. I'm gonna put it to charge at a later time. And then this is the extra packaging that comes here. It seems to be, from what I understand, it brings an extra set of batteries as well. So here are like the charging cables. I can see they are USB-C type, and this seems to be the batteries. So the extra batteries seem to come here. Go ahead and yeah, these are the extra batteries. So if I'm not mistaken, it should bring a total of 3 batteries. So that is the reason why I ended up getting the fly combo. Nothing else comes in this box, guys. Nothing but this. Nothing more but this brick charger here. And I'm surprised that I was expecting to see 3 batteries, but it seems to be only 2. So for whatever the reason they may be, instead of 3 batteries, only 2 came. I know there was something else, an additional accessory. Is this here? So let's see what else comes in here. Well, I will be contacting B&H as far as asking them if it should have been 3 batteries instead of 2. But I mean, it is a big deal if the package was advertised as having 3 batteries instead of 2. So instruction manuals and quick guide here. What else comes here? Little bits of accessories. This look like the propellers here. The propellers. That is correct. These are the propellers. And again, you know, this is the first time I'm getting a drone, and for my son and I, so it's going to be an experience for us, and it's going to take a while to learn how to, you know, do our first flight, and being able to shoot footage, and also being able to this seem to be the ND filters, being able to shoot the footage and avoid, you know, follow the laws, follow the rules, regulations, be on par with the following guidelines. And it's going to be a big experiment for us, and especially my YouTube channel. I wouldn't want to get it shut down because of not following guidelines, and I want to have my certifications and everything legit. This is like a battery charger. The battery chargers, this pod here, you would snap the batteries on and it could charge 3 batteries at a time. From what I heard, from what I have watched on other YouTube videos, you first need to charge these ones individually, one at a time, fully charge them one at a time, and then I'll be able to use these. It's like a way to condition the batteries. Let me see what's in here now. So again, you know, I'm new to these, so I will have to do a lot of reading after the unboxing. Perhaps you're not gonna see the first flight anytime soon. It may take perhaps a couple of days, but I will get there. The entire combo here ran me about, let me see, about it was $1,478 US, and the big plus about this combo package is that it includes the DJI smart controller, so that is a big plus. This controller is compatible with bigger DJI brand drones, so if in the future I want to get a more advanced drone, I could just pretty much sell the Mavic Air 2 and get a little bit back of, you know, the amount that I invested, and then replace it with a more powerful drone, a more capable drone, but keep the same remote controller, so I only would be swapping the drone in the future. But as of now, I think that this is like a mid-range, the type of mid-range drone that I'm gonna be learning how to use and how to become acquainted with drone usage. And at the same time, this is where I'm gonna learn. It's like a learning curve for all this. And once I'm set, and once I learn as much as possible and I'm licensed and everything, then I'll probably go ahead and move on to more expensive, more capable drones. But from all I read and have watched out there about this type of this model Air 2 is very capable. It has a long battery range, and it works with this smart controller that only the higher end models tend to work with this controller. So thank you again. Thank you very much for watching this unboxing video, and do expect on the channel in the future area footages and very nice stuff coming soon. Thank you.